Is your company using SAP Ariba for indirect procurement? And are you struggling to keep up with all new functionalities and features that are released on a quarterly basis? If you're an SAP Ariba end user or system administrator and want to maximize the potential that SAP Ariba sourcing is offering, keep on watching. Welcome to McCoy TV. My name is Tom and I'm working as an SAP Procurement consultant at McCoy & Partners. Unlike classic on-premise ERP systems, SAP Ariba automatically deploys new features every quarter. During my projects at various customers, I have seen how difficult it can be for IT and procurement organizations to keep up with the rapid development of a cloud application. In this video, we'll take you through the most important features of the last two SAP Ariba quarterly releases to improve your sourcing process. The first feature that we would like to highlight is the ability for buyers to create custom optimization scenarios within guided sourcing events. Guided sourcing is the more user-friendly variant of classic sourcing and has initially been released in 2020. Also make sure to check out our other video where Nina explains all benefits of guided sourcing. And now with every new release, SAP Ariba is adding new functionality into guided sourcing. New support for custom optimization scenarios speeds the effort for the analysis and awarding process. On top of these standard optimization scenarios that are already available, buyers can now create custom awarding scenarios, including factors such as incumbency status, qualification status, responses they've given in event questions, and many other aspects. This will result in a more accurate awarding process. Let's look at an example. In this example, we're using an RFP with two lots. The three invited suppliers have responded with their best bid and the event is now closed. As standard, the system will show you the best bid and the best bid with limited number of supplier scenarios, which will result in supplier 3 winning all items. But on top of these, we can now create additional optimization scenarios whereby we can add constraints into the awarding process. So, let's say that we want to take a maximum delivery time into account. In the RFP, we also requested suppliers to provide the expected delivery time for their goods. By creating a new scenario, we can now indicate that we only want to award 100% of all of our items to suppliers who can match our criteria, which is the delivery time within 5 days. After filling out the delivery time condition, we can now run the optimization scenario. And as you can see, based on the given constraints, the system provides a different allocation of RFP items, namely to supplier 1 and 2. This is possible due to the tailored scenario and will maximize the value based on your business requirements. The second feature that we will show, and we have seen requested a lot, is the ability to assign team grading privileges for sections and items in guided sourcing. This is also another improvement on the new guiding sourcing module and an add-on to the already existing functionality for scoring and grading. Previously, everyone within the team grading group was able to grade all sections within the sourcing event. But with this new feature being released in the August update, you can assign dedicated groups of graders to specific event sections. This is how that looks in the system. In the event creation screen, go into the Items that needs quotes window. And then select Add, and then Item. Or take an existing item and edit it. From within the example item, specify grading privileges in the grading group field. Opening this field will allow you to select a project group with users who can grade the selected item. The same option can be applied to the questions and requirements windows. This enhancement will lead to more clarity around who needs to grade what and results in a better RFX process. In addition to the features we have shown in this episode of McCoy TV, there are plenty of other features which might be interesting for your company. This includes new functionalities such as enhanced envelope bidding, custom online responses, and support for messaging operations. Make sure to check out the full release notes if you haven't done already, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions. At the end of this year, we will create another video on the release highlights of Ariba Procure to Pay, so stay tuned for more. Also, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a like and make sure to check out the other episodes on our channel.